Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a trip on Expedia. This is incredibly useful when you're planning a vacation and want to keep track of hotels or flights you're interested in without booking them right away. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in because you'll need an active account to save any trips for later. After logging in, you'll see several options displayed on the homepage, including stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. For this tutorial, let's click on stays since we're looking to save a hotel. This will take you to the accommodation search page where you can start narrowing down your choices. Now, navigate to the field that says where to. Click on it and type in your destination area in the text field. This could be a city, a specific neighborhood, or even a landmark. Be as specific as you want to help Expedia show you the most relevant results. Right beside the destination field, you'll see a button labeled Dates. Click on it, and a calendar will pop up. Here, select your check-in date first, then choose your check-out date. This helps Expedia filter hotels based on availability during your travel period. Next, you can adjust the number of travelers by clicking the Travelers button. A small menu will appear where you can increase or decrease the number of adults and children using the plus and minus icons. This ensures that the search results match your group size and room requirements. Once you've entered all your details, click the Search button. Expedia will now generate a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Take your time browsing through the options, looking at prices, amenities, and guest reviews. When you find a hotel that catches your eye, click on it to view more details. This will open a dedicated page for that property with photos, descriptions, and additional information. In the upper right corner of this page, you'll notice a Save button. Go ahead and click it. This action adds the hotel to your saved trips, so you can revisit it anytime without having to search for it again. If you want to access your saved trip later, simply look at the upper right toolbar on the Expedia homepage, click on Trips, and from the drop-down menu, select Saved. This will take you to a page where you'll see all your saved trips neatly organized. You can review them, compare options, or book when you're ready. And that's it. You've successfully saved a trip on Expedia, making it easy to plan and organize your travel without any pressure to book immediately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.